Congratulations! You are moving to Mars. Unfortunately, nobody mentioned the radiation, the toilet situation, or the fact that a single mistake in an airtight room can end your life in minutes. You've probably pictured this before. Red dunes, a shining habitat dome, being one of the first humans on an entirely new world. Unfortunately, that version left out a few details. The trip alone takes months, sealed in a small metal container with the same handful of people, with no option to step outside for fresh air. Because there isn't any. Once you land, the air outside is unbreathable. The pressure is a fraction of Earth's, and stepping out without a suit isn't uncomfortable. It's fatal within seconds. Mars has almost no protective magnetic field, which means constant exposure to radiation levels far higher than anything you'd experience on Earth. Long-term exposure significantly raises your risk of serious health problems, so most of your life happens indoors or underground, specifically to avoid the sky. Gravity is only about a third of Earth's. That sounds fun until you learn what low gravity does to your bones and muscles over months and years. Every single resource has to be manufactured, recycled, or shipped from a planet that's currently tens of millions of miles away. Water gets recycled, including water reclaimed from your own sweat and urine, because there's genuinely no alternative source nearby. Communication with Earth isn't instant either. Depending on the distance, a single message can take over 20 minutes just to arrive, and 20 more to get a reply. That means no live phone calls home. Ever. Just long, delayed messages, back and forth, for as long as you live there. One equipment failure, a cracked seal, a broken filter, a power outage, isn't a minor inconvenience. It's a life-threatening emergency with no neighboring town to call for help. Mental health becomes a real serious concern too. Isolation, confinement, and permanent distance from everyone you've ever known take a genuine psychological toll. There's no changing your mind either. Once you're there, coming home isn't a quick decision. It requires waiting for the right orbital window, which can be well over a year away. To be fair, you would be part of one of the most significant achievements in human history, and you'd see sights no human being has ever seen with their own eyes. But so next time your Wi-Fi lags for a few seconds, remember, somewhere out there, someone's waiting 20 minutes just to say hello back. Air, artificial. Radiation, constant threat. Isolation, extreme. Margin for error, nearly 0. Overall suck score, 8.9 out of 10. Recommendation, not recommended, unless you're genuinely built for it. This has been Why This Sucks. Same question every time. Why would this actually suck? Spoiler, it usually does.